What is up, guys? Pastor Abram here. We're opening up a silver and gold BGMC trading card expansion pack from the brand new silver and gold expansion. Guys, we're still missing a couple of mystery cards. I think I'm missing about 15 cards total now in the silver and gold. So let's get in here, rip this pack open. Get your thumb underneath there, pull that seam all the way down, pull back on the seam with your right hand, get a nice little rip, just like that. Pull across, you should have a nice little pouch. That's a decent rip opening for these silver and gold expansion packs. I was ripping the Rise of Revival so well, but these are a little bit harder to rip cleanly. But take that, get that out of here. You know how it goes. Card trick is 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. All right, BGMC, we should have the booster right here on the front. Lift kit. All right, this goes with the Speedy D Light and Doug cards. Sweet. We got lift kit there. We got making pumpkin pies as our super action. Miscommunication. The game of generosity. Power up. Ministry tools. Versatile type. We got passport or revoked visa on our disaster. This is our field event, penny pincher. All right, we're going to jump into our characters. We got the non-hollow common Louis. We got a hollow. Look at that hollow journey Jack. All right, guys, let's see. Do we got the mystery cards? I'm still looking for that missionette mystery card. Here we go. 1, 2, and 3. Oh, there we go. We got the Silver Shield Speedy D Light. Sweet. I always love to see Speedy D Light. Okay, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it here. I think when I turn it this way, yep, you should be able to see right down the middle there. You see there's a nice scratch right down the middle there. I don't know. Maybe I did that when I pulled the card like this. I don't think I did, but it is possible. It is definitely possible that that is user error right there. But you can definitely see that. Hopefully you can see that well. I'm going to tap there to see if I can center it. See that nice scratch there? I've been telling you guys that that is really going to be a common thing that you see with these new silver cards. You got to be really, really careful with them, guys. So, but that's sweet. That's a great pull. Hey, I'm never going to complain about getting Speedy D Light, especially a silver hollow card like this. So, super sweet. We're still on the hunt for that other mystery card, 3 of them. But until next time, guys, peace.